Hi, what's your name?
I'm Austin Kenwood.
I'm Louis Anthony.
And we are Fridge Mice.
How did you two meet?
I think it was around the time of maybe May? Maybe April. Austin and I met in an acting class in Hollywood. I found him hilarious and funny. He was really cool. He went to me, but just like me, so.
I also felt weak on a level that I
felt right away that we had a man-to-man connection. We had a bromance within the third class, I'd say. Because, you know, we did.
We did, it's true.
We did. And one day I asked him to come over, bring his guitar by, and then we made sweet, sweet rock inside my garage. That's what happened.
Do you guys play rock and roll?
Yeah.
Are you guys in a relationship?
We're good friends. Yeah.
Yeah, like, you know, buddies.
Just like any other ordinary friends,
hanging out and stuff.
We have our own handshake.
No, like with someone, not with each other.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Oh!
That was...
It's like,
could you imagine?
just us together.
I'm covered in milk.
Am I really? No, I'm single.
I have a wife named Miranda Kerr. Okay, no, I'm single.
Do you like cheese?
What?
What's your shoe size?
What?
What's your name?
Didn't you?
Austin.
Louis?
What's your favorite animal?
I like
Dogs. Dogs. I'm a dog guy.
yeah. I like monkeys.
Do you have any pets?
Dog. I like dogs.
I have a sister.
What's your favorite band?
Oh, that's a good one. I mean, I like Green Day, the Ramones, like the Misfits, you know, all those good bands. Nirvana, Led Zeppelin, Sabbath.
I would have to say I'm a...
Blink-182.
I'd have to say that I'm a Stone Temple Pilots, Foo Fighters. Yeah.
Foo Fighters.
Very big.
STP's good.
Them Crooked Vultures is another.
What's your favorite color?
Rainbow.
This is the last question. What's your favorite plant?
This is gonna be a hard one.
I like pumpkins. Covered in milk. Are women a plant?
If a woman was a plant, it'd be a woman.
Okay.
We're out of here.
We're out. I'm covered in milk.
Do you guys play rock and roll?
That one again. Ask the question again. No, here, no, cross it. Okay, ready? Ask it again. Okay, ask.
Do you guys play rock and roll?
Sorry, ask it again.
Wow.
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
Do you guys play rock and roll?
And then let's just stop laughing and then wait 30 seconds to answer the question. Okay, ready, go. Go, just go.
Do you guys play rock and roll? You just like That's milk.
Why'd you give me milk and not water?
Ew, Austin,
That's my question. Why do I have milk?
Austin, that's disgusting. It looks like you're puking from the camera.
Yes. This is the last time we're doing it. Then we're just gonna pick one.
It's covered in milk.
Do you guys play rock and roll? Austin!
Alright, last time. Just keep going. Just keep doing it. Just keep doing it over and over again. Here, ready? Go. Just go. Just go. Just go. Just go. Austin, don't drink. Don't drink. Go. Austin.
I'm scared.
Just put it back. Then just go. And then I'll drink.
I'm covered in milk.
Okay, exactly. So let's do
Oh.
Ready?
Ready?
Do you guys play rock and roll?
There, I swallowed it all.
Austin, you ruined it. That was a good one.
I know, but I
We're
was
so close.
Oh, do I say it again?
Shut up.
That's all I have.